another day to vlog. It's been a long time that I have done vlogging and camping. So this one vehicle, my vehicle, and there's another Royal Enfield coming from behind. We are going much more ahead in Bhandardara. So let's see how the place is. Good empty road in which I am able to use and explore the engine up to its full capacity. लोकेशन भेज रहा हूँ
Hi Nitin. Hi Ravi.
Hello.
Where is Panda? And this is Abhishek Panda.
the roads. The heat is there, but I hope it is not that much because we are on the way, so the wind flow is there enough, which will not make us feel too much heaty. Drive regularly in this city, you don't get a josh, to just keep on exploring. But once you're on the highways and you're out of the city, there's trees, there's long highways, there's fun. And जब दोस्त मिल जाते हैं जिनको सबको ट्रैवलिंग पसंद है, अलग ही कुछ मज़ा है. And I'm really enjoying because the roads are also empty. There's no fear of the speed breakers because I've done this road before, so I know where there's a speed breaker and all. It has been a long time since I've come on this road. I think at least 7 to 8 months, but I don't feel any changes. The roads are spick and span as it was that time. There are no potholes which have increased. जो थे वही है, and no additional speed breakers of any sort that can cause any problem. Prime afternoon time, but उतना गर्मी नहीं लग रहा है. Most probably because of we are moving at a speed of 80 to 90 kilometers per hour. The scenery is beautiful. Roads with curves and mountains besides it. I don't know if the action camera is able to make justice to the view. Roads are turning beautiful and beautiful. And I see straight road and time for some racing. देखो जो ब्लिंक हो रहा है
जाके बैठ गया गाड़ी में.
हाय पंडा. We'd stop in the middle just for a break.